here we are recording. A couple of people have asked me kind of to demo some of this in evening. It's not full darkness right now, otherwise this would be a little bit better. But got the Tri-Field's meter set up at the end, the K2 on, some audio, some laser grids running. Got both laser grids up and running. I've got the REM pod millimeter going. Didn't put on my static detector. There's my static. Got the other K2 running. Flashlights red and green ready. I've got the vibrations running so that if anything passes there. Also I've got some motion going on with my green frogs telling me that there's somebody at that side. I have to play with my motion sensors a little bit because of the sensitivity. But if you notice, the frogs work really well for trigger objects. My motion sensors are a little more sensitive. And this particular, the blue one is about 7 to 9 foot range. I've got my static going. It'll periodically change if something comes around it. That's the first device, and then I've got backups of another laser grid if I want to blanket another angle on that one. And then the second one that I've got here, I've got two flashlights, green and red. I've got the spirit box. I've set up an extra speaker plus the speaker down here as backup. The K2. I've got audio. I've got the laser grid. Laser grids going. That's focused on my reflection. So you have to watch out for reflections with the green frogs. The millimeter is set up and ready to go. We're already experiencing a lot of static, so static's not going to work right now. The K2 is up and running, as well as the Tri-Field meter that's pointed outward for the triple effect. Again, we've got static. I'm not sure if I turned this one on. There it is. And then you saw the frog, and I got a different type REM pod device here with the two vibration devices that are ready to go, as well as another laser grid as a backup on a tripod. Then you come back over here to this one. Partial reason I'm having some difficulty with a few things is it's still light outside. I'm in the basement. Got the flashlights. I've got the spirit box running. Well, I don't have it running. I have the spirit box. I have the K2. I have audio. I have two laser grids running. I've got another millimeter REM pod all set up. Once again, you can see that static is full on, so that's not going to do us any good. K2, and then once again a Tri-Field meter pointed exterior so that it won't, the other equipment won't affect it. Mr. Frog. Demo one. That's for the demonstration there. Motion sensors are still, it's a little too bright. They're a little sensitive to the darkness. I've got the motions both ready and up and running, and different kind. Demo one. The US made millimeter, and then again the static. And another laser backup system, plus my trigger objects and a better spirit box that somebody's made for me. As well as exit one. Oops, I tapped the table. Got some parabolic mics, but this just kind of shows you a little bit more of what kind of potential lights and action that you can capture with this setup versus just having a single piece or a couple of pieces set up, so you can potentially get all sorts of activity with REM pods and motion sensors, and the frog's telling you somebody's there. Plus you got other things going off. You can definitely validate it in multiple ways. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.